Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? How you all are doing? Hope you all are doing fine. Hope you all are doing okay. Yeah man, what's up with you guys? I'm about to do some apple juice and I have some Jamaican apple right here in front of me. Yeah, some Otaheite apple, Jamaican apple. Them apple here nice guys. Right now, it's apple time in Jamaica right now. Yeah. So we are getting the apples in abundance. Yeah, man, we're getting a ton loads of apples. So here what happened now. I'm going to make me some apple juice. Yeah, no preservative. Nothing. I'm just going to put this in the juice extract. I'm going to wash it, cut it up. And I don't have to cut it up fine because it's a juice extractor. So you know you're using a juice extractor, you don't need to cut your fruits fine. So I'm gonna wash them and put them in a juice extractor and extract the juice from them. Yeah. That are going down here, so guys. So you want now, stay with me. My apple has finished wash and I am ready to remove the seeds now and proceed to do my apple juice. So let me give you a little rundown of what I'm going to use. So I have some lemon here, ginger, honey. I also have this piece of material, guys, that I'm going to use. It is like a sheer material. I'm going to use it to put the chash of the apple in it after I finish extract the juice from the apple. Yeah, I'm going to put the apple chash in it and I'm going to proceed to squeeze out the juice that is left in the apple chash. Because you know we don't want to waste nothing. Because the apple, you know, apple good for you, right? Growing up, I used to hear my mother say, apple a day keep the doctor away. Apple is very, very good, guys. Out here, we know this as Otaheite apple. You know, sometimes we not even say Otaheite apple. We just say apple. We not bother with the Otaheite apple. But this apple is otherwise known as mountain apple, cocoa plum. There's another name too. There's another name that is in my head. I can't remember. Malay apple, rose apple. Yeah, man. But guess what now? It depends on where you are in the world. But as I say, out here down a yard here, we know it as the Otaheite apple. Yes, I'm gonna proceed to do my apple juice now, guys. So stay with me. And as you can see, it have a few bruises because it is very mild and tender. Any little thing can scratch it. Even if your nail catch it, you know, it get a scratch. But we don't worry about them little bruises upon it. So we'll deal with it now. Straight in the juice extractor it I go now. Here are some of the benefits that you get from apple. It has vitamin C, A, B2, not to mention it has calcium, carotene, fiber, and iron. So you see how good this fruit is, guys? This little fruit here with down a yard, yeah? The Otaheite apple. Yeah. Vitamin C is powerful, you know? Powerful in antioxidant, which contribute to the prevention of what? Heart problem. Yeah, that's how powerful this little fruit is. You see how it's shaped? It's shaped like pear. It has the shape of pear. Yeah, that's how pear shape, you know. You have some of them around still, but you know, I hardly see them one there. I mostly see these shape, that shape. Yeah, man, so as I was mentioning that, you know, it helps with the prevention of heart disease. Not only that, guys, it fight against cold and flu. Guys, this little fruit here, yeah man, powerful. It is a good choice to have. We are having it in abundance now out here. It is apple time. So you see when the fruits is enough and in, me have to make use of it. Yeah man, I have to do up my fruit juice and I have to eat up my fruits. And all who know me know that I love fruits. So I am in the process of removing my apple seed. So guys, you just flip this little part off the top here. Yeah, this is where the stem of the apple, this is where you pick the apple from, right? The stem. So you just slit off this little part here. Yeah? You don't want to make a big slit because you don't want to waste your apple. So I'm removing the seed of the apple. So this is what it look like. Seed here. Very small. An apple tree grow everywhere in Jamaica. Everywhere. Every nook and cranny of Jamaica. You just eat the apple and you just go so booms and throw the seed. And it grow. You not even have to plant it. This little part here, guys, you remove it. You can remove that part there, you know. Don't make a big slit. You don't want to waste your apple. You don't have to even remove this. You just look for the little part there, the little black part, and you just take off that. Some people take out this out of the apple here. I don't know. I'm not going to remove it. I'm going to just leave that because I don't, that is a fruit. Yeah, me no need for when we eat it, we not take out that part. Some people take out this part, this little part here. This little white, you know. When we eat it, we don't remove that, guys. So you don't need to do that. You waste your apple. Yeah. So I'm about to extract the juice from my apples now. And I'm going to use low. Why? Apple is soft. You don't need to use anything higher than low. After running my apple through the juice extractor, I am straining it through a cloth strainer. As I tell you before, I am not wasting anything. Apple is too good for me to waste it. So I am just, this is a thin piece of cloth. So I'm squeezing out the juice from the trash. Not wasting anything, guys. You can also go ahead and put a little honey in the trash and eat the trash. If you don't want to squeeze out the trash to remove the rest of the juice that left in the trash, you can just go ahead and put a spoonful of honey and you know you eat your trash. Nothing is wrong with that. It is fruits, guys. Yeah. So this is what it looks like when you squeeze out all the juice from it. That's the look you're going to get. Not wasting anything, guys. So this is the apple juice, guys. I'm using the apple juice to blend my ginger. I am not using no water. I'm not adding nothing to this apple juice. So that's the pure apple juice, 100% apple juice. So I'm going to put my ginger in. And then I'm going to blend. So this is the color of some of our apple juice when you put your ginger in it. The ginger is going to change the color a little. It's going to make it look like, what this look like to you? Like milk. You know, like I add some milk to it, but no milk is added to it. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to strain this off. And I'm going to add it to the rest of my apple juice. You see how that look? Looks like I put some milk in it, but I did not. So I'm gonna strain this off and add it to my apple juice. So this is our lovely apple juice. Red. It have a pinkish color, but the thing is, guys, when I use the ginger, it's gonna change the color a little. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some ginger to my juice. Yeah, I'm gonna use half of the lemon. I'm not using one lemon because, as I mentioned before, based on the amount of juice that I get from the apple, that is what going to make me decide the amount of lemon I'm gonna use, if I'm gonna use one, two, half, or so I'm using half of a lemon here. You notice the color change a little. Look at that, the color change a little. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of honey. Yeah, 2 tablespoons of honey, and I'm gonna sweeten this. There you have it, our natural Otaheite apple juice. 100% apple juice, nothing added to it, no water, no preservative, nothing. So guys, if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share the video, guys. Share the video. Please to share the video. Subscribe to my channel. And after I run it through the juice extractor, after I run my fruits through the juice extractor, I use my cloth material to strain it again. Yeah, because I want it to nice and smooth. You know, I don't want to feel anything going down my throat when I'm drinking this lovely refreshing juice here. And all you need to do, guys, is put this to chill. You don't need any ice on it. Trust me. This is so refreshing. You don't need no ice on this. Just put this to chill. And there you go. Alright, guys. So remember to share the video, guys. Share the video. Share the video. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for sharing the videos. Alright. Yeah.